Now let's worship Vandana to Samma Sambuddha, Saddham and Mahasangha. Ipepe so bhagava araham samma sambuddho vijjacharana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarathi sattha deva manussanan Buddho Bhagavate Buddham Jivita Pariyantam Saranam Gacchami Sakhato Bhagavata Dhammo Sanditthiko Akaliko Ehi passiko opanayiko paccattam veditam bo vinyuhiti Dhamman jivita pariyantam saranam gacchami Supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Ujupatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Nyayapatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Samici patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Yadidam cattari purisa yukani attha purisa puggala Esa bhagavato savaka sangho Ahuneyo pahuneyo dakhineyo anjali karaniyo Anuttaram punyakhetam lokassati Sangham jivita pariyantam saranam gacchami Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu